Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility and gathering documents immediately. Enroll in the state-required notary course and schedule the background check. Do this now so processing runs in parallel. Once done, register for the licensing exam and buy study materials targeted to your state's laws. Make sure to scan ID and proof of residency to upload with the application. Acting on these front-loaded steps reduces waiting time and keeps momentum toward becoming a certified notary advocate. You now focus on the detailed middle steps. Submit the application, pay fees, and upload fingerprints or background results. Study with timed practice exams. Concentrate on practical tasks like acknowledgments, jurats, and advocacy-specific acts so you can perform under time pressure. Once scheduled, take the licensing exam calmly. Review your state statute sections before the test. After passing, be sure to order your official seal and journal without delay, because these items are required for lawful practice, and you finish by receiving your commission, buying the seal and journal, and filing any required bond or insurance. Once active, advertise your services and set clear fees and intake steps. Make sure to log every act accurately and keep clients' ID and documents secure. If your commission stalls or a background issue appears, contact the state notary office immediately and request clarification or a review. If necessary, follow the appeal process while maintaining client communication to preserve credibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.